Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Erin will be sharing with you an adorable mix and match nail design featuring Winnie the Pooh and his friends.
Hey guys, it's Erin. So I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all my nails. The first nail I'm doing is inspired by Piglet, so I'm starting off with a medium pink base. Then I'm taking a darker pink and painting slightly curved lines down my nail. This is supposed to look like Piglet's torso. Now the next nail is inspired by Tigger, so I'm starting off with a bright orange base. Then I'm taking a light yellow nail polish and I'm painting an oval down the middle of my nail. Once that's dry, I'm taking a dark brown nail polish and painting Tigger stripes on each side of my nail. The next nail is inspired by Pooh Bear, of course, so I'm starting off with a red base since Pooh is always in his iconic red shirt. Then I'm taking that same yellow I used before to paint Pooh's head. So it's kind of an interesting shape, but I basically started out by painting a half circle on my nail and then making it slightly wider at the sides and the bottom of my nail. It helps to look at a picture of Pooh's head while doing this. Once you have roughly this shape, take your dotting tool and that yellow nail polish again and add his ears at the top of the circle. Then I'm taking a dotting tool and putting his eyes, and right below that putting his nose. I'm taking some black acrylic paint and painting his eyebrows at the top of his head. And the next nail is inspired by Eeyore, so I'm painting my nail a medium gray. Then I'm taking a lighter gray nail polish and doing a half circle at the bottom of my nail. Then I'm going to be taking that black acrylic paint again and painting Eeyore's tail. So I'm painting a rectangular shape that tapers off towards the bottom, and I'm adding a black dot in the center of that. Next I'm going to be painting his pink bow, so I'm taking a dotting tool and a pink nail polish and putting a pink dot at the center at the bottom of the tail. Then for the sides of the bow, I'm taking a small brush and painting two rounded triangle shapes on each side of the dot. And lastly, with my black acrylic paint, I'm painting the fur of his tail. And Pooh wouldn't go anywhere without his honey, so on my thumb I'm going to be painting his honey pot. So I'm starting off with this medium blue base. Then I'm taking a lighter blue and painting a slightly curved rectangle towards one side of my nail. Now I'm taking my yellow nail polish from before and I'm going to be painting some honey dripping down the other side of my nail. I kind of mapped out how I wanted to do this by painting two dots of the yellow nail polish and then filling them in and using the brush to kind of make curved lines to connect them together. And once all that's dry, I need to label Pooh's honey pot, so I'm taking my black acrylic paint and a small brush again and carefully painting the letters H-U-N-N-Y, which is how Pooh spells honey. And make sure you put one N backwards. Finally, I'm applying a top coat to all my nails. And there you have your super cute Winnie the Pooh and Friends nails. We really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos from Cute Polish, you can click the boxes here, or you can click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.